Without further ado, let's move on with the first step of this change. Put a drain pan directly under the radiator where the cooling lines connect. You want to connect the hose from the used oil jug to the supply. At this point, you have a 50-50 chance of getting it right. So once you know the direction you're going, the other side, the other hose, the supply, which is from the new jug, connect it to the fill port. Removing this, the dipstick, and this is going to be my supply. So the fresh transmission fluid is going in there as we are draining it from the transmission pump. Is what I have rigged up to go in the refill hole. I've secured it with a piece of wire. You can do that with string, what have you. All right, let's get started. Looking good. Still dark. There's no leak where it's supplying it. And it looks like it's going at the same rate. And look at the transition, it's turning pink now. Stop it before it empties out. That's good. All right, I'm happy with it. I think it's good. Yes, I'll call it good.